Hey guys, what's happening? How to set a stop loss and take profit on Kraken. So if you're planning to use that on Kraken wallet, unfortunately you won't be able to do it because the Kraken wallet is only limited, as a wallet really. So you can hold by buying and sell, to withdraw to your bank account, all the practical stuff basically, right? And it's like a bank account, but for digital currencies. So in order to set a SL and TP, you need to use the Kraken Pro app. So what I'm going to do, click here on your favorite chart or the chart you're planning to execute. In my case, I'm using the chart at the bottom middle. I'm going to press it so I can just go straight up. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll a little bit down. You can enter the TP and SL percentage wise or enter the price depending on the market. I suggest you use the percentage in order to, if you are buying or selling, of course, you are planning to add the SL in order to, expect that you are losing that trade, and the TP means that you are expecting the price will go at this, particular price, right? Therefore, if it hits that price, then you're gonna be able to take profit, right, and start executing. So basically, the TP and SL only a precaution. So if you, because the market is highly volatile, so you wouldn't know exactly if you are profiting or losing. Sometimes you think that you are profiting if you let the trade go, but the market tank. So you need to be aware and add the TP and SL, right here in that second section, right? After you, of course, you added the price of Bitcoin or in USD, right, depending on your budget, and then go with the TP and SL for a safe trade. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.